Alright, Mazda 2010 DE. Right hand side engine mount. Driver's side in Australia. That one. That one. That one. 14mm. And 3, you can see there. Plus ground. Okay. What we've done is supported the engine at the bottom. So it doesn't fall. That's a simple job. Alright. So this mount is all it is. It's holding this engine mount together. This is from a company off eBay called True Pro. Advertised as a solid mount. It's falling apart. Can't see if it's leaked. But anyway, 5 years it's lasted, so FEBEST or FEBEST. I'm not too sure how you actually pronounce this. Great parts, use them a lot. Fresh out the box. Let's have a look. Oh, that's much more solid compared to this. Which is very wobbly. That top part's obviously fallen off over time. Yeah, let's get this installed.